Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest kitchen gadgets to help you make the best choices. Today, we're looking at the KitchenAid KFC3516WH 3.5 cup food chopper, which is the best KitchenAid blender new on the market. If you're someone who enjoys quick, easy meal prep or needs a reliable tool to streamline your kitchen tasks, then this compact and efficient food chopper might just be the perfect addition to your counter. Right out of the box, this KitchenAid food chopper impresses with its sleek, white design, and its ability to tackle everyday chopping tasks with ease. It features a 3.5 cup work bowl, which is the ideal size for most everyday chopping jobs, from fruits and veggies to herbs and even chicken. The bowl includes a locking blade, handle, and a pour spout, making it simple to transfer your freshly chopped ingredients directly into your dishes. What makes this food chopper stand out is the drizzle basin. This feature allows you to easily add liquids while chopping, which is perfect for preparing dressings, sauces, or even mayonnaise. If you've always struggled with getting the right consistency for your homemade condiments, this drizzle basin is a game changer. When it comes to operation, you have 2 speed settings and a pulse function, giving you full control over whether you want a fine chop or a coarser texture. This versatility ensures that you can fine-tune your results to fit a variety of recipes, from finely minced garlic to chunky salsa. It's also worth mentioning that the food chopper is incredibly easy to clean. The bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe, so you won't have to spend extra time scrubbing after use. One of the things I love about this KitchenAid food chopper is how compact it is. It's perfect for smaller kitchens or for anyone who prefers tools that don't take up too much space but still pack a punch when it comes to performance. Whether you're chopping fresh veggies for a salad, mincing garlic for a pasta sauce, or pureeing fruit for a smoothie or baby food, this food chopper is up to the task. So, if you're looking for an efficient, easy-to-use, and compact food chopper that's ready for any kitchen task, the KitchenAid KFC3516WH 3.5 cup food chopper is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the best kitchen appliances out there.